The American dream, a beacon of hope, a promise of freedom, a chance for a better life. For generations, people have crossed oceans and continents. They journey to America, seeking opportunity. They bring dreams, aspirations, and a desire to build a brighter future. The path to achieving this dream often leads through citizenship. Becoming an American citizen is a significant step. It opens doors to endless possibilities. It is a testament to hard work, perseverance, and the pursuit of a better tomorrow. Navigating the path to citizenship can feel overwhelming. The journey is filled with numerous forms, legal jargon, and intricate procedures that can easily confuse anyone. The legal processes involved can be complex. Each step requires careful attention to detail and a thorough understanding of immigration laws and regulations. It is essential to have a trusted guide by your side, someone who can provide clarity, support, and expert advice throughout this challenging journey. Novice Automation is here to help. Our team is dedicated to making your path to citizenship as smooth and straightforward as possible. We specialize in immigration services, guiding you every step of the way. From understanding your eligibility to preparing your application, we are with you. We make your journey to citizenship smoother and less stressful. Our goal is to ensure you feel confident and supported throughout the entire process. We provide expert assistance with the application for citizenship and issuance of certificate under Section 322. Our expertise ensures that your application is accurate and complete. This is a crucial step towards becoming a U.S. citizen. Celebrating this milestone is a moment of pride and joy for you and your family. Our team of experienced professionals will be with you throughout the process. We work diligently to address any concerns and provide solutions tailored to your unique situation. From the initial application to the final interview, we've got you covered. Trust Novice Automation to be your reliable partner on this important journey to citizenship. At Novice Automation, we understand the significance of your journey. We know that the path to citizenship is more than just a series of steps. It's a life-changing experience filled with hopes, dreams, and aspirations. We treat each client with respect, care, and dedication. Our team is committed to providing you with the highest level of service, ensuring that every detail is handled with precision and care. Our goal is not just to help you with paperwork, it's to empower you. We believe in giving you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed, making the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. We want to give you the confidence to navigate the immigration process. Our experienced team is here to guide you through every step, providing you with the support and encouragement you need. We provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique situation. No two journeys are the same, and we take the time to understand your specific needs and circumstances. Our team will answer your questions, address your concerns, and ensure you feel supported every step of the way. We are here to make sure you never feel alone or overwhelmed. With Novice Automation, you are not alone in this journey. We stand by your side, offering unwavering support and guidance. We are your trusted partner, dedicated to helping you achieve your dream of becoming an American citizen. Together, we will make your dream a reality, celebrating every milestone along the way. Section 4. Benefits beyond compare. Why choose Novice Automation? Choosing Novice Automation offers numerous benefits that set us apart from the rest. Our deep expertise in immigration law ensures your application is not only accurate but also complete, significantly increasing your chances of success and minimizing any potential delays. We understand that time is precious and cannot be wasted. That's why we have developed a streamlined application process that saves you valuable time and effort, making the entire experience more efficient. Our commitment to transparent communication ensures that you are kept informed throughout every step of the journey. You'll receive regular updates on your case, so you're always in the loop and never left wondering about the status of your application. We believe in making the process as stress-free as possible, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, building your future and achieving your dreams. Choose Novice Automation for peace of mind, knowing your application is in capable hands. Our dedicated team is here to support you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth and successful journey. Section 5. Embrace your future. Take the first step today. The American dream is within reach. Take the first step today and let Novice Automation guide you on your journey to citizenship. Our team is ready to answer your questions, address your concerns, and provide the support you need. Don't let the complexities of the immigration process hold you back. With Novice Automation, you can navigate the path to citizenship with confidence and ease. Your dream of becoming an American citizen is closer than you think. Take action today and embrace the future you've always envisioned. Section 6. Novice Automation, your bridge to the American dream. Novice Automation, your bridge to the American dream. Visit our website at noviceautomation.com. Explore our services, learn how we can help you. Schedule a call with our team. Let's discuss your aspirations. Together we can make your American dream a reality.